What's up, shawties? How is everybody's day going? Today is Saturday, November 14th, and I'm gonna be doing a little weekend vlog slash hair transformation video because, to be honest, I'm so sick of my hair. That's kind of the final cut. I am so sick of my hair, and I'm gonna spend this weekend changing it up. Before we get started, I do want to thank Anna and Luisa for sponsoring today's video and partnering with me once again. They have a big Black Friday sale coming up, which I will talk more about later in this video, but for now, you guys just get a little sneak peek. So here is a before of my hair. It is literally past my boobs. It is so long and it's like gotta go. My bed's a mess because I didn't know what to wear today. This cardigan and these jeans are both Fashion Nova, but I just have like a Calvin sports bra underneath because I'm lazy and I don't like bras. Fun fact, my hair is so long. I literally haven't cut it in over a year, I'm pretty sure. I think I cut it myself like a year and a half ago maybe, but it was really bad and we don't talk about that. I think I actually cut it on this channel. I'm not linking it down below because it's very embarrassing, but if you want to scroll through my channel and find it, be my guest. And then tomorrow, me and my sister are both highlighting our hair. I highlighted my hair a couple months ago just with like a cap in like box dye from Walmart, and I kind of want to redo it because my roots have kind of grown in and I want my overall head to be like lighter, I guess. Yeah, welcome to Chaunna's hair transformation video so you can glow up from a 2 to maybe a 6. My appointment is at 10:30. Oh my god, it's quarter after. My appointment is at 10:30 and right now it's 10:15 and it's literally 15 minutes away, so I gotta go. Hey guys, we're in the car with some shitty ass lighting and you've guessed it, it's me and my sister and we're late. I think we're late in every time I vlog. We're always late to wherever we're going. We're here and we're late and I'm gonna try and vlog inside, but it might be awkward. We'll see what we get. Okay, love you, bye. Hair. Oh my god.
Yeah, like double what I have on my whole head.
Vlog section. What is this? She's vlogging me vlogging. Okay guys, I kind of forgot to vlog, but my sister and I walked downtown a little bit because the salon's really close to downtown and we started taking some pictures. So I just finished my haircut. I didn't really vlog that much inside because it's kind of awkward, as you probably know, but I asked for layers, I showed her the length I wanted, I asked for like little pieces in front, and then she also fixed my undercut. I forgot to show you guys the before of my undercut, but it was probably grown in like an inch or so she fixed it for me and also did some really cool details of lines, which is really cute little accent. I'm literally so obsessed. It's way shorter. I got like the cute little pieces in front, and yeah, what do you think of it, Age?
I don't know, you describing that, it just sounded very YouTuber-y, but other than that, I think it looks great.
We're looking for a cute little coffee shop to get some coffee and take some more pics, but look at this beautiful inspirational sign that I hope moves you into appreciating life more. Life is beautiful. Wow.
Happy reps. Yeah. I done caught a wave at a young age. Niggas getting paid doing dumb things. Make a little money and they act strange. All these girls really want one thing. I like them just like my coffee.
Hi guys, it's really awkward in here because we're sitting right in front of the barista, but I got an iced Americano with almond milk and I'm gonna try it, and look at the cute little jar that
You haven't tried it yet?
Isn't that cute?
Your hair's gonna get into it.
That's good.
Is it good?
That's strong and it's good and I love it.
That's good.
Hey guys, so I'm back home now. My hair is in a very questionable bun because now I have short hair, so it's way harder to tie my hair. But I still love it, as I show you guys, and you'll see more of it tomorrow when we do the hair dyeing stuff. But I just want to talk a little bit more about today's sponsor, Anna Luisa. So I'm partnering with them again to show you guys some new jewelry pieces and to talk more about their Black Friday sale coming up. So the first thing I picked out was this ring. It is called the Stackable Ring Olivia Adjustable Gold. So you can actually stretch and adjust the ring, which is so nice. It's just this little beaded design and I think it looks just very sleek and cute and I'm obsessed with it. As you've probably noticed, I've been wearing this jewelry throughout the whole video and I think this curved chain necklace is actually my favorite. I've been wanting a really simple chain for a very long time and this is just so perfect. It's adjustable at the back so you can actually make it like sit a bit tighter or a little bit lower than here. My third piercing is not Anna Luisa. I just have to make that disclaimer. These are the lightning bolt earrings, as you can see. see, they're just like a little dangly lightning bolt. They are literally the cutest little earrings ever, and I feel like lightning bolt, I think it adds a lot to like my personality and kind of just like matches my vibe. Does that make sense? And I've been wearing these little hoop huggies in my second hole from Luisa for a couple months now, and I have noticed no tarnish, no scratches. It hasn't even lost any of the little diamonds. It is in perfect condition. I wear them in the shower. I clean them every so often, obviously. And you'd think jewelry that's this good quality would be very expensive and really marked up, but actually they don't mark up their jewelry at all. Fair prices starting at $39. Ana Luisa's main mission is to be sustainable, and that's why none of these products have high markups. If it's possible, most of them are recycled material. So make sure you guys go check out the description box. I will have a direct link to all of their Black Friday offers. You guys don't want to miss the sale. Cute, unique, high quality yet affordable jewelry is honestly a really great Christmas gift, or you can just treat yourself and buy some cute jewelry for you. I also have a discount code for you guys. I will have it here on the screen, so make sure you use it to save some of that moolah. So thank you, Ana Luisa, for sponsoring today's video. I am so obsessed with all of this jewelry. Hey guys, so it's now the next day, and you already know we're gonna dye my hair. I just picked up this kit from Walmart. We picked up 2 boxes because my sister's also doing it. This is what I used a couple months ago, and I did a whole video of my first time ever using this kit. So now I'm basically a professional at this. I also did my friend's hair with this kit. Hopefully I don't mess up, because that would really suck. If you want to see the first time I ever used this kit, I'll have it linked down below. You guys really enjoyed watching me struggle, so if you haven't seen it already, make sure you go check it out, but let's just open this up. It basically comes with like the hair dye that you need and a highlighting cap, and I think it comes with like a shampoo and conditioner to like wash it out and stuff. Here is the before of my hair. It's kind of grown in a lot, and it's kind of like looking a little brassy and stuff. I kind of want my hair to be lighter and like dispersed a bit better, because under it's like pretty dark. So I think when I do the cap, I'm gonna like have my hair back like this so I can get some of these strands done, if that makes sense. Here's more of the before. I'm sitting right in front of the window, so there's like a lot more light hitting it, but it's actually kind of pretty dark, and I want it to be a lot lighter.
Hello.
And then we just tie this cutie on very tight. Don't I look cute? I look like a cute little fish egg. And then you basically use this little hook. You can use like the A or B side. I think A is bigger. No, B looks bigger actually. And then you just pick out from every single hole or whatever like pattern that you want. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. So if we can do that for half an hour. This is gonna be a very long time lapse, so I'm just gonna check in with you guys when I'm done all that.
Sorry.
Stabbing so hard. Ow.
Sorry. We'll go on.
Ow.
Sorry.
Ow.
Okay. There you're done. Yay.
I know this is just the cutest angle you've ever seen of me, but I'm just gonna mix this stuff together. Container, you mix this solution, with the powder, and then the magic happens. You put it everywhere, and then in the instructions, I think, on the other side, one side has gloves, one side has like a bag to put over it all. So that's the liquid and the powder mix, and then you just mix it together with the spoolie thingy. Alright guys, I have my bag on that looks like weird freaking noodles. Last time I left it in for 45 minutes, and I kind of wanted it a bit lighter, so I think I just might leave it in for like 50 minutes maybe, but I'll set a timer for 45 and then we'll see what happens. Hey guys, so it's been just over 45 minutes. I know the lighting in here is like super shitty. It's because it's like getting dark outside, so I'll probably do like another review like tomorrow morning, but let's see. Ooh, that's blonde. Wow. She is very blonde. She is very blonde. Wow, you guys can't even see that. Wow. In my first video where I used this highlighting cap, you guys literally roasted me in the comments for ripping it off my head. So I'm not going to do that again because it's going to hurt my feelings. So I'm going to take it off in the shower because that's what everybody screamed at me in the comments to do. But yeah, I will check in with you guys after I shower. I'm going to use the shampoo and the conditioner that it came with, and then we'll see the finished look after. Hopefully it looks good, but that is very blonde. Hey guys, so it's now the next day. I didn't show a reveal yesterday because it was dark and obviously the lighting was not good, but I just wanted to show you guys the final reveal of my hair. I slept with braids in, so I would have a little bit of a curl and wave this morning for the final reveal, I guess. As I was editing back the other footage, I realized I didn't really talk about where I got my hair cut. If you're in the area, I go to this hairdresser named Kaylee. She owns Salon Kaylee, and she's literally been cutting my hair since I was 13 years old, and I've never let anyone else cut my hair because I literally trust her with my life. If you know, you know, but cutting like thick, coarse hair, specifically Asian hair, it's a lot different than cutting like a thinner, lighter hair. And before I met her, me, my mom, my sister, we always struggled getting our hair cut because a lot of people didn't understand how like thick and coarse it was, so we would ask for a specific look and they would just kind of do it off. But yeah, and then we met Kaylee, and she's been cutting my hair since I was 13 and now I'm 20, so for literally 7 years no one else has ever cut my hair. Except myself when I failed to do so. So yeah, the box dye. So it did retouch up my roots a little bit, and it added some more random like lighter pieces from the box dye. I'll show you guys what it looks like from the back. So in case you're wondering, I did want like the little curtain bangs that you've like seen on TikTok. I just called them the little pieces in the front, but I wanted those. I wanted a lot of layers, and then she did like a light U shape or whatever at the back, and then I wanted to add some more color in my hair, so I just got a highlighting kit, and that's what I did to get from this to this. But let me know in the comments if you guys like me better with short hair or long hair. And again, thank you Anna Luisa for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you guys go check them out. Everything will be linked down below. Get those Black Friday deals, get your Christmas presents early, treat yourself, and don't forget to use my discount code Chaunna10 for 10% off your order. Oh, and before I forget, here are the shawty shoutouts of this video. Thank you guys for all your constant support. I love you with my whole heart. But that concludes this hair transformation video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys like my hair. Hopefully you think I look a little bit better, just a smidget, you know? And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!